You coming this time? We're gonna stay in the garage though. She's definitely coming. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Get matchy as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, you know the drill. I don't know why I have this in my hand, but I do. It's because we're gonna use this. I'm just gonna put it there for a while. Today's kind of a cold day here in New Jersey. I don't even know if we're gonna leave the garage at some point. We might, if we get this stuff what we're gonna get done. As you guys probably saw on the thumbnail, actually I didn't get a carbon fiber spoiler. You guys gonna understand it. And I know, if you are seeing a lot of vinyl stuff in my channel, it's just because, dude, I have the material, I have the thing that I need to get wrapped. Why not, right? So bear with me, we're gonna change a little bit plans later, but for now we're gonna stay with the vinyl. We're gonna do two things with the Corvette. I will try to do two things, but I have one main thing that we're gonna do, which is the spoiler. Okay, I don't know if the camera does, the focus here is horrible, but there is a PPF here, and I believe I gotta sand a little bit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the spoiler, and then I'm also gonna try to, you see here, like everything is pretty much black, but we have that silver thing. I will try to wrap those as well. Let's see how that goes. I have the driver's side and the passenger side. I would just make sure that I use all the vinyl I have, because the vinyl I have is not enough to do the halo and then not enough to do the roof. But I'm still debating if I should do it. I will probably do, because it's really in bad shape. See how it is. I believe you can paint correct this, but for now, let's remove it. I believe to remove this, you gotta remove the tail light. I believe we have to remove this one and that one, and then we should be good. So you guys watch from here while I remove it. So once you remove the tail light, there's a bolt here. I don't know if the camera was gonna show. Yeah, it's too dark, but there's a bolt in there. It's a 14mm. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put my hand here with the 14mm on. Oh wow! Actually, it's a 10mm. Forget what I say. 14. It's a 10. There we go. See, those are not bubbles. Are like missing paint underneath it. So if I remove it, the PPF, what I have to do, I have like to sand it and make smooth. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean and I'm gonna apply the vinyl on top of it and see. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So you guys know how that works. Clean with alcohol and paper towel, and then we're gonna start applying the vinyl. Simple like that. God knows how long this thing has been there. I believe they remove it to put the PPF though. I really do. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's gonna be carbon. Overall, it's supposed to look really nice. I think we have enough. We had a problem. I had such bad spots here that the vinyl was like, make like steps. So I had to sand the entire spoiler. So here's the paint was really bad here. So I removed the PPF and I sand down. Now it should be really like even, I hope. I clean so you guys can see. So I'm gonna start applying the vinyl again and see how that's gonna look like, right? I'm sorry, but I don't know what's going on with this freaking camera, but stopped working and I didn't realize because I was doing a time lapse. But anyway, so here we go. What do you guys think? It's not perfect though. Definitely is not perfect. And by the way, I tainted the light. Yeah, I see that the material is there. So once I was here, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna taint it. See here, I got some like spots really bad, but I mean, I can fix it. To be honest, for my first time, this part here was what matters because it's what people are gonna see going down the road. So far, it's not bad at all. As you guys can see, I think it's gonna look better, right? So far, it's gonna look good. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put it back because when it's back in the car, that's what matters. That's what we're gonna see the difference. But so far, it's not anything. It's just dusty. So far, it's looking good though. I mean, the challenge, of course, here is like are the corners. But I think that's practice. You gotta do more and more and more and more, and then you're gonna get better. I feel the difference between the tail lights and this one. Like I got way better, but it's still not perfect. I think I can still get better, but hey, it's free. Hell yeah, brother! Let me open the door and close this. It's getting darker already. Oh, it's raining. Unfortunately, it's dark and it's rainy outside, as you guys can see. It's not that dark because my camera can adjust. Remember that? The carbon fiber wing. No, wing it's a spoiler, but whatever. So, what do you guys think from here? So, I think it looks better though. When you look from here, at least you know there's something there. Again, it's not perfect at all. I have some things I need to fix it here. See here, but looks great. Looks great, and I'm gonna get better on wrapping stuff. I think I'm definitely gonna do the roof, those two parts. I think definitely. Now for the inside. What do you want? What do you want? Wanna help me? That's not gonna leave. So I think I can use a screwdriver just to pop that out. There we go. I'm just gonna remove it from here and we should be good to go. That's the piece we're gonna wrap. I think that's gonna be a challenge, but we'll see. Let's try. And just because there's a hole, what you have to do, like lay down the vinyl, like heat it up here and just press so that can go through the hole. So let's see if I can get that done because it's small, so it's kind of hard, but let's try. And that's what I'm saying, like you lay down the vinyl like this. Make sure you cover all the parts you want to. And then, that's what I normally do. I come with the heat gun and heat it up and you see how that gets like. And then you can fix that later. So sorry if you guys cannot see fast because it's so hard to do. So I make like a small hole, so just like this, and should be cover all the parts. And then I keep hitting the heat gun. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna do the other one, and you guys don't need to watch, so because it's probably the same if not easier. All right, number one done. Dude, looks so much better. Come on, man. There you go. Driver's side done. Oh yeah, man. There you go, boys. We got the wing. We got everything now. It's kind of coming together. Yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think about doing the roof and the hell like in carbon wrap. It's something you would like to see. Let me know in the comments below for sure. If you guys agree, I will buy the vinyl and I'll do it. I don't know, and maybe I'll do now, enjoy like until spring so I can remove, because since it's a transparent roof, it's kind of nice to have that, you know, option during the summer, which, you know, you can see through it. But I'll do for now. If it looks too good, I'll keep it. Let me tell you one thing though, try to do something new. Try to do something different. Like I'm trying to learn this wrap thing. So try to do something new. Leave your comfort zone. It's not gonna be perfect the first time. Don't think whatever you're gonna try to do is gonna be perfect the first time, because it's not. I can tell by my rapping experience for sure that it's not perfect, but it's gonna get better. You know, that's everything in life. If you get better and you're persistent and you do that again, keep doing, don't stop, you're gonna get better. All right, I hope to see you guys next upload, maybe with more rapping stuff. Thank you so much for watching. As always, never forget, enjoy your life. Yeah, boys, what happened? I wasn't happy with the wrinkles that we got here, so I redid it. But the procedure was the same you just watched on the video. I just redid it with more patience, and now it's kind of, it is perfect. Perfect. So you can see with the wing and the tail lights, everything kind of coming together. I'm happy. So thank you for watching, boys.